Hi there. My name is Heather Lockman, and I am the Chief Executive Officer at Community Action Partnership of Lancaster and Saunders counties. We are an anti-poverty organization and serve about 17,000 unique individuals every year. We are proud to be a United Way partner agency. We provide programs and services across 4 areas of impact that really align with United Way's areas of impact too. And those include early childhood education, homelessness prevention, financial and family well-being, and hunger relief and healthy food access. The need for programs and services like we provide in this community is significant. Last year, we saw a 50% increase in the number of folks who were calling us for rent and utility assistance because they had a disconnect notice or they were facing eviction from their home. We've also served more meals than ever at our Gathering Place Soup Kitchen. We have already served more meals this year in 2024 than we did all of last year in 2023. And in the month of May, we served over 5,600 meals, which is by and large a record. We were serving half that amount before the pandemic. So all of this sort of indicates the increased level of need in our community for programs and services like ours and those that are funded by the United Way. I want to share a story that I think really illustrates the impact of your support of the United Way campaign. It's sometimes hard, right? Because you don't necessarily see the impact of your support right away. And this story really illustrates that the impact is far deeper than you could ever imagine. And so it starts back in early 2023. A coworker of mine was actually at the hospital because she had a personal situation going on. Her dad was in the hospital. He's okay now. But she got to talking to the night nurse that was on staff. And the nurse asked her, what do you do for a living? And she had said, well, I work at Community Action. And this nurse immediately perked up and got really, really excited and said, Community Action? I am a product of your programming. And those were her words. And so she got to telling my coworker a little bit more about her story. And she had shared that when she was a young mother, just starting out in the 90s, she found herself single after her husband had left and trying to raise a child on her own. And she said, I didn't know where to go, didn't know where to turn, and I found Community Action. And I saw that you did food assistance and you helped with rent and utilities. And so she found those supports here and was able to maintain that stability. But she said the thing that sticks with me most about the service that Community Action provided was that your staff at the time told me, just no matter what you do, don't give up and stay in school. We'll help you with whatever you may need. In order to do that, just stay in school. And she said she really took that to heart. And she did. She stayed in school. She went on to get her nursing degree, and she's been a practicing nurse for the past 30 years. So, she really wanted to take that opportunity to thank my coworker for the work that she does and the work that we do at Community Action. And again, this is just so illustrative of the impact of your support of the United Way campaign. What I love about United Way is that by giving to United Way, you don't have to support one single agency. They support all kinds of agencies across the city, including many that we partner with on a day-to-day basis. We serve a lot of people, we do a lot of things, but we can't do it alone. We can't do it without our partner agencies, and we certainly couldn't do it without United Way and ultimately the people like you who make the United Way campaign possible. So, with that, I want to thank you for your consideration of a gift. And I just know that the impact you'll make will be far and greater than you can ever imagine. Thank you.